Gemma Tetlow, they arguably, I mean, people say, look, what they did do by raising employers' national insurance broke their manifesto pledge. Should they have actually broken the pledge on income tax, on corporation tax, on other taxes? Would that have been better than what they did? Or at least better for growth?
They certainly, in terms of the options they had, they were very constrained by the fact they'd put in their manifesto that they wouldn't raise income tax, national insurance, VAT, or corporation tax. I think there are some of the changes to the other ones that you could have made that perhaps would have been less growth damaging. So, for example, the change that they made exaggerated an existing distortion that's already there. That means we tax employees more heavily than we tax self-employed and company owner managers. If instead you'd raised income tax, for example, you would have taxed not only employees but also self-employed, people who get income from investments, people who get income from pensions. So it would have spread the tax rise wider. If you'd gone for VAT, for example, that would have allowed you to tax pensioners who spend money, also foreigners who come here and spend money as well. So I think there are other choices they could have made if they hadn't been so constrained by their manifesto commitments.
Okay, that would have been better for promoting growth?
That probably would have been less damaging to growth. I mean, it is important to say that there's pretty much no tax rise you could have done that wouldn't have had some impact on growth. And I think we do need to look at the bigger picture, which Luke is getting at here, which is that we were doing these tax rises in order to pay for public spending. And we need to think about also what's the benefit of that public spending that we get in return for this tax rise.